Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to go ahead and smooth skin. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is find the area or blemish that it is that you want to fix. And then from the the left side of your screen, go ahead and find the healing tool. It should be under your resize feature. And then if you hold down control and select an area, you'll notice that it does a little selection around it, and you can use that area and that exact color from that area to go ahead and retouch it up. And then as you see, it's almost like the thing was never even there. And if I undo everything, you'll notice that the blemish comes back. And if I redo everything, you'll notice that it goes away. So there's a little bit of the difference there. And it looks really natural and cool. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a tutorial on GIMP. Thank you guys so much for watching.